Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I got some product from Sleepm, and so they have a bunch of different stuff for sleeping wear, such as pillow, mattress, blanket, so on and so forth. So today they sent us 3 different items, so I'm going to unbox them and then try them out. So anyway, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, so first thing first, let's open up the Sleepm Healing Bio Crystal Pillow. Pretty long name, but this is a pillow, premium quality, 3-year warranty. Oh, it's actually made in Canada. Did not know that. And sleep better, live better. So 53% of respondents measured better bodily circulation. 76% of the users sleep better, and 87% of users recommend this product. Well, okay, this sounds cool. I still have to try it out myself. So anyway, let's open this up. Now, we're already using a pillow that's memory foam. I mean, I still would every now and then get neck pain. So if this works out, then this will be a really awesome product that will help me with my pain. So anyway, so it feels pretty firm. I mean, there's not much inside, it's just a pillow. Alright, so here it is, just a pillow, and look at the back. I guess, yep, it looks like the cover, I can wash it. So do not clean the inside if you can avoid it. So the outside, this cover can be taken off and machine wash. So that's a very good to know. And let's see, it feels pretty firm. Let me just go try it out at nighttime. And I like the curve. So this area will be suffice for my shoulder area. So that's a good feature to have. All pillow and just a memory foam. I mean, a rectangular foam. Yeah, it doesn't have this curved area. The next stop, let's open up this thing. It's inside a gift bag. This cover is very elegant. It's white. I like the polar bear design. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, sleep better, live better. User menu. So this is eye mask. So I guess you can use this to sleep at nighttime. And this is the Sleepm eye mask cold pack. So I guess you can put inside your freezer. Let me go try them out. There's also a USB cord, a USB-C cable. Let's see. Okay. So the USB is for this. I guess you can charge this. So this eye mask is supposed to warm up your eye area. Not too warm, but I guess this is where it charges up to give you that feeling. So I'll try this out in a little bit and see how that works. But essentially what's inside is just a user guide, the cold pad, and the eye mask. Alright, lastly is this cylinder. So let's open this up as well. Now I'll go and put all the product information down in the description below so you can go check them out. And once you open it up, what is this? Oh, it looks like a bag. I guess this bag is to store this. This looks like a blanket. Now they advertise for the bio crystal stuff. I can feel and kind of see the stuff that's sticking out. I guess those are the bio crystal. So anyway, this is the blanket. But I guess you can also put it under your pillow. If you don't have one under Sleepm pillow, then you can just put under your own pillow. And that's supposed to help you sleep better. Alright, so here we go. Some eye mask, the blanket, and a pillow. Let me go try them out, sleep on it, and then see what happens. Alright, so after some time of using it, So here's my report. Oh, and by the way, they also sent me some of the cut up samples of what the mattress and the pillow would look like. So this is actually a cut up like what's inside the pillow. And so you can see like there are layer and upon layer. Now the most important thing is this thing, is the biocrystal. That's what they are advertised for. It's quite interesting. As far as for me using the pillow, I really like the pillow. Initially, it's just really firm, but when I'm sleeping on it, I don't feel that way. The cushion hugs my neck area and also my face when I turn. So it's really nice. In the hot days, when the weather is warm, this pillow is actually really cool. Cool to the touch, cool to the sleep. So when I go to bed, my face is not hot. And also when the weather is cold, this does not feel cool much. So in terms of the temperature for the pillow, it's quite interesting. So hot times, it goes cool, and cold times, it's not that cold, and it's quite warm when I'm sleeping on it, so I don't feel the cold. And I really like the fact that the pillow is super easy to clean. All you have to do is just take the exterior out and dump it into the washer and wash it. Just make sure you air dry it, and that's what I did. And the inside, if it's dirty, then you just kind of wipe it down. That's pretty much it. So easy to maintain. So this is a really great pillow, and I wake up every day refreshed and ready to go. Now, as far as for the mask, I must say, like, outside of mine, like, I didn't really give it too much of test. The mask has a couple of different functions. So the way that you set up the mask is to put the material inside the mask bag. Since it's USB charged, so the thing can heat up. So you need to use an external power source in order to power the mask. The way I do it is use a rechargeable power bank. You just hook it up, and then you can turn on the dial. So they have the red, blue, and green setting. The red is high for 15 minutes, blue is medium for 20 minutes, and then green is low for 30 minutes. Now, if you press the on-off button for 2 seconds or more, it will turn to what they call the AI assist mode, which is high for 5 minutes, medium for 10, and then low for 15 minutes. So it just switched by itself to warm up the mask. Now, the few times I've been using it, I put on my eyes. It felt like there was a hot towel on your eyes the whole entire time. It's not super hot, it's just warm to the touch, but it was very relaxing. And especially after a whole day of staring at the screens and your mobile device, it's a great way to kind of dial down and then relax for a bit. As far as for their cold pack, you put the cold press in the refrigerator for either an hour in the main compartment or half an hour in the freezer. Once you have put inside your refrigerator, take it out and then put inside the mask bag, and then you can put on top of your eyes and to start off your day, because a lot of time when you wake up in the daytime, you might have eye bags underneath. Now the same will go for the blanket. Just like the mask, I didn't really use it, but as far as for anyone who really like the concept of having this biocrystal, so if you don't want to get the pillow, well, I strongly suggest you to get the pillow. But if you don't want to because the price or you already have a pillow that you really like, then get one of this pack. And what you need to do is just put on top of the pillow that you already have, or put inside the pillow sleeve that you already have. It works just the same. The biocrystal is, they are the stuff that you can kind of see like inside the white part. That's darker color inside this white pad. So yeah, those are the biocrystals. So anyway, my final thought is that the pillow is really nice to have. And now that kind of made me wonder how good their mattress is, right? So if the pillow is that great, then their mattress should be just as good as well. And also that the mask, for the limited time I have used it, yeah, it has been helping my eyes to relax. I should use it more often. But anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.